Hi babes, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching. I decided today I am doing empties, okay? So I think this is a third episode. Sephora is currently having their VIB sale again this weekend, so I thought, what's better than doing empties from all the skincare products I've purchased recently and been using for the past couple of month or so. That way I can share with you guys which one is working for me and which one is not. Let's jump into it and start with my most current favorite vitamin C serum. I shared this many times on my Insta story. First, I bought the mini version of it. It's Drunk Elephant Vitamin C Day Serum. I talked about this in my last Sephora haul video, so I will link it down below if you want to watch that video for all the products that I'm talking about. So I used it. It lasted me for like 3 weeks because me and Mateen, we both used this one and we love it. My freckles and sun damage, all of them almost are fading away. They are there, but like the color is almost fading away. And they were $24, I believe. So it comes with the Hydra Intensive Hydration Gel Serum. This is magic on skin, especially if you have a very dry skin. This is just hydrates your skin so well. It has B5 in it, and also both have vitamin E, which nourish the skin. So if you don't want to invest $88 to buy this right at the jump, I highly recommend buying the traveler size. That's what I recommended to my mom too, and she loves it. What's also great about this vitamin C serum is that it's so potent. So it's potent of vitamin C and brighten your skin, firms it. It gets rid of uneven texture on your skin. The vitamin E helps to lock the moisture in your skin for up to 72 hours. So this is something you don't have to use every morning and every night. Using it every morning before you put your moisturizer on is just good enough, and it will last you a long time. But now what Sephora is having, I know it's $88, and trust me, it's a lot of money for me too, but I found out they have like I think we should call them like a Christmas gift set or whatever, like a value set. I know I took everything out, but it comes in this packet, and these are all the products that are included in this package, and it is a value of $138 and you buy it for $88. So to me, it's a better investment because you get the vitamin C in full size, which you can buy it for $88 alone, and plus you also get the serum, the traveler size, that I bought with as a traveler size with the deal with vitamin C, also comes in this package, which you can try it out and see if you like it. Comes with the face cream, day face cream. I used it twice already, and I'm not gonna just sit here and say, oh, it's fabulous, but so far it's pretty darn good. And the eye serum, which you put before you put on your eye cream. They also included a SPF 30 tinted sunscreen. I just don't have it right here right now, but to me, this is a great investment piece to purchase with your Sephora discount because you get a lot for the amount that you pay. Is a Allure winner, which is Allure in beauty industry. It's kind of like Oscar. So it's a very good product, guys. Trust me, this is really good. I talked about this in my previous Sephora hauls or empties. It's TATCHA, the Japanese brand. Everything is plant-based and it's clean at Sephora. So it's paraben-free, animal cruelty-free, and it's very effective. I really do love this brand. The first product is their Camellia Cleansing Oil. This is very good for all skin type. If you have any dry patches on your face, it will get rid of that, and it's very sensitive friendly. It deep cleans your face. It gets rid of all your eye makeup, your face makeup, and also nourish your face. The camellia oil, it's richer than olive oil, so this is more effective than olive oil. It includes vitamin A, B, D, and E, and nourishing omega-3, 6, and 9. So basically, it's just a vitamin for your skin. Next products, again, it's TATCHA. It's their Dewy Face Mist. You can mist this before makeup, after makeup, throughout the day for just freshen up your face. This is a great mist. It keeps the hydration lock in your skin, and your skin feels just dewy, fresh. It has anti-aging ingredients in it, a rice extract, and also, let me see, what was the other one? Green tea, rice, algae, which restores the look of youthful radiance. This is one of those things that if you're into just having something extra, like a luxurious skincare that you can just mist it throughout the day and feel very luxe, you can definitely splurge some money on this. My next two products, I have not been really happy with them. I stopped actually using them. As a company, I really do like the company. I use their face mask, but these two products just clogs my pores. I get acne or little bumps on my face. That's why I stopped using it. It is the Glam Glow Melting Jelly Balm Cleanser. This one, the color is black. What goes on your face, it's kind of like a charcoal look. What it does, it melts away all your makeup, all the pollution in your skin, brings them out. But I don't know, I'm not digging it. It makes my face greasy. I don't like it when it's like black on my face. It leaves some residue after even washing it. Well, let me show you the texture of it since I have plenty and I'm not gonna use it. You see, it's more of a like charcoal black, and it's very, very greasy. Over this and TATCHA, I definitely recommend the TATCHA, the cleansing oil. It just makes your skin very hydrated. You don't feel that greasiness on your skin. It's very comfortable and you feel actually clean comparing to this one. One more thing, it's their Matte Glow Moisturizer. I think they came out with this last year, and I didn't buy this. I think I either used my points, my rewards, or it was just part of like one of those samples that you purchase and they just toss it in your bag. I used it, I tried, see, this is, I really tried to like it and use it a lot. Every time I tried it, it made my pores more clogged. It's very textury. I don't know, I'm not really digging this one. Well, it may work for you, but definitely didn't work for me. My next product, it's one of my favorite face masks. I'm Persian, I love rose water, rose spray, anything that it include pistachio, rose, and saffron, I dig it. No doubt about that. Fresh, it's a very natural brand. Everything is plant-based again, and I do like their lip balms because as you can see, I have chapped lips all year round. And this mask is the Rose Petal Mask. It's infused with real rose petals, hydrates and tones your face, and it definitely does. I love this mask. Every time my face feels very dry, especially in winter time, this is my go-to mask. It helps with dryness, but also it helps with pores. Tighten the pores and firm your skin. It does have cucumber extract in it, rose, and also some algae, which helps to tone and hydrate your skin. My next product is my holy grail overnight face oil, which I used it almost for everything. I used it for overnight. I mixed it with my foundation. It's just such a great product. For the price that you're paying, I think it's $48, but it's gonna last you at least a year, which is, I think after a year, you need to toss it, 18 months. I still have left in here, but it's already expired, so I'm not gonna use it. It is a Midnight Recovery Heal Face Oil. I'm really into natural products nowadays, and this just plumps your skin. I even wrote a blog about it, I guess like 2 years ago. This is magic on your skin. I recommend it to my friend. She loves it. What you need to know about face oils is that you need to put your moisturizer on, and then after applying your moisturizer, then add the oil. Don't think it's gonna be greasy or anything like that. Just put it, because what the oil does, it protects the first and second layer of your skin, and it won't absorb so deeply into the skin. So basically it's like a protection on your skin. And let's see what else we're left with. The next couple of products are gonna be makeup remover product. This is like a savage packaging. I'm done. I broke it. Hopefully you can see it on the camera. We'll see. So it's Estee Lauder Perfectly Clean Multi-Action Foam Cleanser Purifying Mask. It takes off all the makeup pollution. I don't suggest washing off your eye makeup with this one. I'm gonna show you the next product for removing your eye makeup. Don't use this for removing your eye makeup. Don't do what Parmita did. You're gonna regret it. So just stick with washing your face makeup with this. It unclogs the pores. Your face feels clean and bright. It says it's ideal for normal combination skin. Probably I love it so much because I do have a combination skin. My T-zone, it's more oily than my sides or my cheeks. They are way more dry comparing to my T-zone. So if you have the same combination skin type as me, I highly recommend this. Moving on to the eye makeup remover. This YSL eye makeup remover, it's a very decent eye makeup remover, I'm not gonna lie. I've been having this for the past 6 months. I can still use it for 3 or 4 more times. And not gonna lie, I keep saying not gonna lie because I'm not here to lie, but this is not cheap. And I get that. And right now, Sephora is having a sale, so you can keep and save those coins. Comparing this one to the Lancome eye makeup remover, I still love the Lancome better. This might be as good as the Lancome one. I don't know why. I love that blue bottle Lancome eye makeup remover way better than this or the Clinique. Definitely this is better than the Clinique, but again, Lancome is a good one. Just try to get that one probably. I don't know. If you're into YSL, get this one too. It's the same thing. Okay, I'm way too hyper for this, I feel like, because I'm sipping on Coke. You know how you put your sunscreen on, you go out for like 8 hours, you can reapply it over your foundation. They came out with this genius idea. I don't know how effective it is. So far, I'm loving it. I feel like it's working, but I'm not gonna tell you 100% it's effective, God knows, but I'm wasting my money because I think it's working. It's Super Goop Setting Mist. This is its sunscreen setting mist. You can apply this after your makeup to set your makeup, and also gives your skin that sunscreen protection, and you can reapply it throughout the day. I got this with my Sephora rewards. I think it was just like 100 points. But I don't know how much they are. Super Goop is a great brand as far as the sunscreen. I'm very happy with them, with their sunscreen. My last product is the Glow Recipe Watermelon face cream. And I love it. I even pour some in a container for my coworker to try it out. I recommended my friend to get it. She loves it. She's still using it. This is one of those creams that is just hydrate your skin, brighten your skin. As you know, I'm into brightening products, and gets rid of any fine lines, dark spots. It's just very soothing. Gel form, so it's not too heavy. Some days I feel like, oh, okay, my skin, it's way more drier than the other days because Houston is going through menopause, and one day it's like 80 degree, the next day it's 50 degree. You don't know what the heck you're doing with your life. You can use this as a serum. What I do is I put on my serum, my eye cream, then I go in with 2 pumps of this all over my face, and finally I go over it with my face moisturizer or my face cream. This product is plant-based, award winner, Korean brand. You know how much I like my Korean skincare, and it gets rid of dryness, dullness, uneven texture, uneven skin tone. It's good for all skin type. It's oil free. It has a lot of amino acids. Rich white watermelon extract is blended with hydrating hyaluronic acid and soothing botanical to calm irritation. They have a face mask also, the watermelon face mask. I really want to get that next time and try it. But this is something that I will repurchase because it's just great for summertime to use it as your face moisturizer, daily moisturizer. Even Mateen likes it. And it's great for winter time to use it as your serum, or at nights to use it as your overnight serum to give your skin extra hydration. Okay, I think I'm just talking way too much. I hope you're not bored. And if you made it to this point of the video, I just want to let you know how grateful I am that you're watching my videos. And I just take it as a full-on gratitude, honestly, because this is what I love to do. And I hope this video was helpful. By purpose, I only did skincare products rather than mixing it with makeup. That way I can help you guys to be prepared for winter time. I'm gonna just stop talking. Don't forget, like this video, subscribe to my channel, tell me your holy grail product down below, comment it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Stay beautiful. Bye. The next couple of products. Oh yeah, my English is very good.
Is English your first language?
Yeah, before I was born.
Oh my goose.
These are one of the great products that I use. No.